You're back for another update. Let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. And when we take a look at the Bitcoin CME futures, we actually do see that this gap has been filled over here, and we did come up to the 1.618 when we use our trend-based fib, and we also printed a bearish shooting star, and now we're forming a bearish engulfing here. Just remember, this is the Bitcoin CME futures on the hourly time frame, so wouldn't surprise me that we see a little bit more manipulation down towards any of the lower fibs to take out our sell side liquidity below 56,000. Okay, so it would come down to any of these fibs. You can see that we already took out this liquidity. We already took out this liquidity above 62,523, and then we reverted back into this range over here. Then we saw a little bit of a move up here in New York AM session, went ahead and filled this CME gap, printed a bearish shooting star on the hourly time frame. So if we do come down here, don't be surprised because we still have liquidity resting under this internal range over here. Okay, this over here would be your internal range. If Bitcoin cannot get back above this CME gap on the 4-hour time frame sitting at 61,356, then this likely will come down to fill inefficiency at the lower end of this range. Okay, because remember, your buy side liquidity was taken. Now we're just waiting for our sell side liquidity to be taken at any of these fibs below. So you just take a fib from this low over here up to this high, and you'd want to target the 61 to 78.6% fib. If it does come down here and we end up losing 52,262, then it's likely Bitcoin will go ahead and make a new low. But that wouldn't be the main bias. The main bias would be that we would see a bounce come in at any of these fibs below for our manipulation-like event before we have expansion to the upside. Okay, so definitely what crypto bulls want to see is for Bitcoin to hold 52,262 if we did come down here, okay, to take out the sell side. Okay, so going forward, what bulls would want to see is for us to get back above this CME gap sitting at 61,356, and then we also have the fib retracements right over here. Okay, these are all your fib retracements. See, we rejected at the 38.2% fib, just shy of the 50%. Okay, so Bitcoin would definitely want to get back above all of these fibs over here, so we can invalidate the possibility of one more flush down to any of these fibs below before we continue on higher out of this range. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.